everyone, welcome back to my channel Shrestha Talkies. I'm Shrestha Sale and I would like to thank you all for giving me immense love.
Today is a very special day because I'm going somewhere. I'm going to show you everything related to that. So do you know where I'm going? Yes, you know because you have read the title and I'm going for a shoot. Shoot. Lights, camera, action.
Lights, camera, action.
मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ, शूट की लोकेशन क्या है, मेकअप आर्टिस्ट कौन है, डिजाइनर कौन है, और क्या सब होने वाला है ये मैं बताऊंगी नहीं, आप देखोगे. So let's begin.
So yes guys, finally we have reached the location for the shoot, that is Bhojan Sarovar Portico located in Green Avenue, Amritsar, Punjab. So let's see inside. So yes guys, this is Ruhani Puri's student assessment event wherein her students are going to do makeup on the models and there will be a shoot for the same. And moreover, you can see this beautiful setup which has been done by BYO, that is Be Your Own. You can follow them on Instagram for more. Stay tuned. Behind every beautiful picture you see on the social media, you see on Instagram, there's a lot of work involved. Many people work on the same. You can see the makeup artists, hairstylists, models, photographers, everybody working on the same. Now comes the makeup prism by Priya Arora. Being a student of Ruhani Puri, she had done justice to her performance as well as her learnings, and you can see the result. The beautiful look of her model, she was looking so pretty, and you can also see the behind the scenes of the shoot. It was amazing, but on the same part it was hectic as well. Now you are going to see Ruhani ma'am sweetly, giving final touches to the look, and here it is.
We are here to support our farmers who are protesting in Delhi and all the borders around. It's always good to support good people. No farmers, no food.
Oh yeah.
Wondering what's going on? So as we all know that practicality of anything comes with the theoretical knowledge only. So here's some theoretical test going on and I think we should stay away from this because test से तो सबको ही डर लगता है भाई.
They don't like the food we are. I might give her a chocolate color like pink. Maybe like peach. Actually, there is like a competition holding over there, so there are many models here.
Yeah.
So it's like more of being creative. My look is very much different from the rest.
Okay, so who is created your look?
Yadvi Agarwal.
Okay.
You can follow her.
Yeah.
She has done an amazing job.
Yeah, so you can see her different looks. So don't give some poses, okay? Also, you need to know the man behind these beautiful clicks, and he is RV. You can follow him on Instagram. He's having his two IDs by the name of RV and Wedding Insta Pictures. Okay, so ma'am, tell us something about your story, like how it started and now you're so amazing.
When you have black and whites in your life, you always love to have colors around. So I think that was what persuaded me towards this line, and it's a decade now. I'm going to celebrate my 10 years of this industry. Today's event is whole and soul about my students who have been pursuing in the art of makeup, and they want to party makeup or the bridal makeup. It's far above that. It's a proper study. So this is what I'm trying to bring out in Amritsar, that if you want to pursue in this line, it's not only about painting faces. It's about far ahead journey to this.
Absolutely. Everyone can see this from this video. Definitely. So guys, you must know that she's an amazing makeup artist plus an amazing educator. Like,
Thank you
you
so
must
much,
ask her
Cheshta.
students, they will tell you about her.
And not only that, I would say please do follow Cheshta. She's one of the wonderful bloggers. There's a big event happening around and we are lost somewhere down the lane. So as a blogger, she was behind the walls and doing everything, which I am super excited to see now, Cheshta. What all your clips. And do follow her, guys. She's one of the best amazing person I got in touch with her.
Same here. Thank you.
You lovely meeting you, dear.
Same here.
Take care. Bye bye.
So yes guys, you can see my eye shining अभी भी क्योंकि मैंने आधा ही मेकअप रिमूव किया है. So yes guys, I'm back home and I'm very happy with today's shoot. I'm very satisfied. It was way too amazing and I just wanted to share one thing with you all. That is that I have been working into this line since last 2.5 years, and what I have realized is that the life of an artist is way too tough than we think. Like, if you are an artist and you are working into this line, you need not to be perfect in one aspect, but you need to know all the aspects a bit. You need to be good in dancing, you need to be good in singing, you need to be a good actor, you need to be a good model, you need to have a good personality, you need to have communication skills.
Like, it's not that a person should be perfect, nobody's perfect, but yes, you need to have all these aspects in yours because कभी भी कुछ भी कहीं नहीं जरूरत पड़ सकती है.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
एंड मोर ओवर जो हम एक पिक्चर देखते हैं और उस पर भी हम मतलब कभी कभी बोल देते हैं अच्छा ये फोटो अच्छी नहीं है. हाँ, ऐसा होता है, कुछ पिक्चर्स अच्छी होती हैं, कुछ पिक्चर्स इतनी अच्छी नहीं होती, बट उस एक पिक्चर के पीछे इतनी लॉन्ग स्टोरी होती है ना. पहले थीम डिसाइड किया जाता है, लोकेशन डिसाइड की जाती है, फोटोग्राफर, मेकअप, ज्वेलरी, हेयर स्टाइल, like designing, event organizing, modeling, there are so many things, or talking about models, like
अरे मतलब कि पहले 2 घंटे मेकअप कराओ, फिर हेयर स्टाइल कराओ, फिर फोटोज क्लिक कराओ, फिर रील्स बनाओ, फिर उसके बाद थोड़ी सी क्लिप्स चाहिए होती है, डिजाइनर को ड्रेस की चाहिए होती है, मेकअप आर्टिस्ट को मेकअप की चाहिए होती है, हमें अपनी पूरी की पूरी चाहिए होती है, और फिर ऑब्वियसली को अपने अकॉर्डिंग मतलब पूरा देख के ना मतलब ऐसे फोटो क्लिक करना कि हाँ ना मुझको. उसके बाद मेन काम ना एंड में होता है जब सब कुछ रिमूव करना पड़ता है, हेयर स्टाइल, जब बाल खोलो तो ऐसे कुछ इस तरीके से वैसे अच्छे लग रहे हैं बट थोड़ा ना हाँ खराब लग रहे हैं, ठीक है. सो मतलब फिर बालों का कचरा, फेस का कचरा.
so guys, I just wanted to say appreciate the work of everyone, because कोई भी जो भी काम कुछ भी काम करता है उसके पीछे बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत होती है. एंड मुझे भी प्लीज़ अप्रिशिएट करो एंड प्लीज़ लाइक माई वीडियो, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, प्लीज़ शेयर माई वीडियोज़ विद योर नोन्स so that I can grow my Cheshta Talkies.